Howdy. You ever notice how 5 more minutes in a Caribbean time really mean give me half an hour? This Saturday morning runnings, we're bringing you the Olympics of Lateness. From the getting ready marathon to the traffic's excuse sprint, we're breaking down why Caribbean people can't reach on time no matter what. Boss, me the outside. Lies. We know you just wake up. Join us for a belly full of laughs, real talk, and the grand champion of late. This Saturday, February 2nd, live at 10 a.m. Watch on Inside the Zone with Lady D on YouTube. If you're always late, log on early at Satideh Mawnin Runnings. Come, make we talk.